All right, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna show you something. So let's say I have this data. This is my database, and it's just some user data for the user journey data, like the session, the source that they came in, the campaign, which page they landed on, just a bunch of data like that. And so I'm gonna view this data here. So come here and I'm gonna select that, and let's say I want to find the time spent, average time spent, and you can do it by the sum of the count and average. But I want to find the average time spent. I'm gonna say by the source platform, so we can see that. And then we can do a group by with dimension source platform. Okay, and then we start with a table, come to a line, we do a bar, you know. We can do all of the different charts. We could do a pivot if we, needed to do the pivot. So I'm just gonna say chart, and what I'm gonna do is save this. So this is chart time spent chart bar chart, and then I'm saving it. And then when I come to my dashboard, it'll have all of the ones that I saved here. And if I go back and add some more, so let's say I added as a let's say line, time spent line, and then I'm gonna do a table, time spent table, and then scatter plot, time spent scatter. All right, and then so now if I come, I can see all of those, and I can change the view on it. I'll put it back as this. If I click on one of them, it'll open up so I can see it there. So the way this all works, let me just kind of start over to show the concept really quick. So the way it works is based on these connections. So let's say, and I'm not going to go all the way from the beginning, but let's say so this is my database. And this here is my data warehouse. And let's say I have some source data, some source data that I want to pull in, whether it's my YouTube analytics, my Google analytics, whatever, Facebook, Twitter, those data sources I want to pull into my data warehouse so I can do this visualization on it. What I would do is I come here and I can create different sources. Like I'm not gonna go through the part of it, but just for now I have one source and one destination, and I have one connection, which is I can give it a name. And then when I trigger that job, what it's gonna do is it's gonna copy or take or fetch or do whatever it is to that data, and it's gonna pull it into my destination, which is my data warehouse. And it shouldn't take long. It'll take like a few seconds. And then we'll be able to see the data here. So it's complete. And if I refresh this, we'll now see this. And so that's how you get your data in. And so you start with your connections, and then once you have your connections, you can come in and you can view that data, and then you can save that data, those charts, and you can view it here. So that's pretty much how it works.